Keeping up with roof maintenance is important to help prevent leaks that can lead to other damage and often happen because of time and weather. First, you'll need to make sure to be safe when assessing your roof. For safety reasons, we strongly recommend that you have a trained professional in roof repair do any inspections, maintenance, or repairs to your roof. If you decide to perform maintenance on your own, you must follow safety procedures at all times. Most inspections, cleaning, such as snow and ice removal, and roof repair can be done effectively from a ladder. However, if you do find that you need to climb on the roof to perform maintenance, only walk on the sections that are supported by rafters or stringers. Do not walk on the shingles when they are hot. If the shingles are hot, they can become soft and be easily damaged. Both shingle and metal roofs can be slippery even when they're not wet or icy, so always use caution when you're on the roof. If you have a roof with shingles, we recommend having a trained professional inspect the sealants around the vents, joints, roof caps, and other penetrations twice a year. If you find that there is damage, we suggest contacting a roofing specialist to repair the roof. If you have a metal roof on your home, it is constructed in one of two ways: rolled steel sheets, which are seamed together the length of the home, or ribbed steel panels. Regular maintenance is required to avoid any leaks or possible damage. If you have a ribbed panel roof, there is little maintenance needed. However, we suggest referring to the roofing manufacturer's manual for care instructions. If you have rolled metal roofing, you will need to have a professional coat the entire roof with a good quality white or aluminum roof coating after the first year. For all roofs, make sure to have seams, except on ribbed panel roofs, vents, flashings, and caulk joints, resealed once a year or more often as needed. For safety reasons, we recommend having a trained professional reseal these areas. If you decide to do so, you can find sealants that match your home's finish at most major hardware outlets. Always make sure to use sealants that remain flexible and follow the sealant manufacturer's instructions when applying coatings and sealants. The roof of your home is essential to protecting you and your family from the elements. Making sure it's in top shape is important so your home stays protected.